Hi, I'm Theley, and this podcast is for everyone or anyone who feels deeply, who loves quietly, and who sometimes just needs a place to breathe again. This isn't a space for noise or fixing or shouting into the void. This is for the quiet hearts, the ones who feels deeply, love hard, and carry the kind of longing that doesn't always have words. I created this podcast because I needed a place where I could breathe again, where I could whisper instead of shout and still be heard. If you're like me, navigating life, love, faith, grief, purpose, wondering if it's okay to be soft in a world that rewards hardness, then this is for you too. This first episode is just a beginning I've been putting off for a long time. Maybe because I was afraid I didn't have anything to say. I was afraid I didn't have anything to say, but I'm learning. I'm learning that sometimes just showing up with your honest heart is enough. So tonight, I'm starting. And I hope something in these quiet words finds you exactly where you are. Welcome to the soft place. I'm so glad you're here. And if you felt seen or safe here, stay a while. I'll be back next week with more hard talks, just like this.